Sometimes, luxury doesn't whisper. Sometimes, it growls, and warns you that once you see it, you can't unsee it. And that's exactly what this $2 million Koenigsegg motorhome is. A beautiful, terrifying invitation to a lifestyle most people shouldn't even flirt with. When I first heard the price, I laughed. Then I saw it, and the laughter quietly walked out the back door. Because suddenly it wasn't expensive, it was dangerous. Dangerous because a small, foolish part of you whispers, could I actually live in this? The exterior looks like a private jet and a hypercar raised a prodigy. Carbon fiber shell, adaptive aero, a stance that feels like it's overtaking you from a parking spot. And the headlights, those aren't headlights. Those are ultimatums. But reality taps you on the shoulder early. Scratch this carbon, and you're paying hypercar repair prices for campground mistakes. One rock chip. One careless tree branch. One moment of bad luck, and suddenly you're financing shame. But the real surprise isn't outside. It's what happens the moment you open the door. The interior doesn't shout, it breathes. Soft glow, matte carbon, leather that makes your existing furniture feel like cheap decisions. Then the cabin does something strange. The lights shift by themselves. Not broken, just thinking. The cockpit wakes up like a jet preparing for takeoff. The steering rises. The HUD floats into view. Screens unfold with this quiet, confident, "You're not worthy" kind of energy. Then the living space opens behind you, zero-gravity seating, titanium kitchen, storage that glides like it's rehearsed. And the bed rotates to face the mountains, the stars, or whatever you're running from. But then comes the tension spike Koenigsegg didn't intend. What happens if all this intelligence isn't intelligent? What if the leveling system misreads? What if the slide-out refuses to retract when you're 20 miles from civilization? What if one software update decides your climate control is now optional? Luxury becomes fear shockingly fast when everything depends on a system that thinks for you. And that brings us to the question every American RV owner is screaming: is it actually usable, or just a billionaire toy? Here's the truth: it can go anywhere, but you'll spend the entire journey praying nothing touches it. Yes, it's real. Yes, it works. But it's usable in the same way a diamond sword is usable. Powerful, surreal, and absolutely not built for the messy places that make RV life magical. Still, after a few minutes inside, something unsettling happens. You stop caring about logic. You stop caring about risk. You stop caring about the price, the fear, the responsibility. Because freedom, engineered this precisely, is intoxicating. And that's the real danger. Not the carbon. Not the tech. Not the money. The danger is simple: once you experience a Koenigsegg motorhome, normal life stops feeling acceptable.